Ayan, for today's video guys, nandito tayo sa Amadeo, Barangay Pangil, East-West Highway guys. So ayan, very accessible by car, motorcycle tayo, nag-car tayo. This one is 5 lanes, 6 lanes, no? So kasyang-kasya, napakaraming car. If you are from Manila, malapit lang siya, accessible. Exit ka dyan ng Calax sa Silang, diretso ka din sa Amadeo. Then yung highway na to is tutuloy siya going sa Nasugbu, Batangas. So ito sa magiging most busiest roads dito po sa Cavite. So here guys, ito yung ating project. Ayan, no? May mga flag. This one will be the entrance. So may available tayo dito ng mga 300 square meters ng mga semi-farm lot. Phase 3, Phase 1 is sold out, Phase 2 is sold out. So meron tayo dito mga available sa Phase 3, mga semi-farm lot po natin, ng mga residential farm lots po natin. 300 square meter na mga inner lot or corner lot, may 1,000 square meter din for only 7,500 per square meter. Tapos 3 years, 0% interest naman siya. Ang down payment is 24%. With discount naman yan. As free transfer of title. So ayan, if naghahanap ka ng, alam mo yun, good weather na good for retirement, dito ka na sa Amadeo if I were you. So ayan, may mga available tayo dito, 300 square meter ng mga residential farm. Ayan. So maganda dito kasi along highway siya. Kung galing ka ng Manila, accessibility ang hanap mo, this is the project that I highly advise. Magkakaroon din ng linya ng kuryente, tubig, electricity, water, tapos internet. Ito yung entrance, ayan. Tapos dyan yung roundabout, ayan. Makagandahan dito guys, yung kanyang above sea level is 450 meters, so hindi siya binabaha. Kompleto with drainages, ayan, undergoing construction. So yun, limited na lang yung actually yung mga lots available natin. Nandiyan lang naman yun, no? Ayan, no? Ayan, 'di ba? Ito kasi phase 1 to, sold na. Yung phase 3 nandiyan lang. Lapit lang. Kung naglalakad ka, kayang-kaya lakarin. Kung naman naka-car, mas madali. Ayan. So yun. Actually, maganda rin tong lugar na to, no? Kung naghahanap ka ng, alam mo yun, place for retirement na itatayo mo ng dream house mo. Amadeo is yung coffee capital of the Philippines. Ayun, pag diniretso nyo yan, sa may bayan ng Amadeo, napakaraming kapihan dyan. As in, napakadami. Tapos ito, kung mahilig ka magplantito-plantita, if I were you, get 300 square meter. Tapos, gawan mo ng small house, tapos tanim-taniman, it's up to you. So yun guys, para mas ma-appreciate nyo, I will show you yung drone shot ng ating property para makita nyo yung kanyang laki, yung kanyang laki ng mga concrete roads. Saka flatland lang naman yan. So wala kang magiging problema sa future. So yun, I will show it here. So 3, 2, 1, ito po ang drone shot. Ito po sa ating project na ito is sold na po yung phase 1 and phase 2. So meron po tayong phase 3 na mga residential farm lots. For 300 square meter po yung mga cut for only 7,500 per square meter. And free transfer of title po siya. Tapos pwede kayong maggawa ng inyong pangarap na house or pangarap na parang staycation, rest house. So, depende po yan sa inyo. So, dito po guys, yung from the highway, andyan po yung phase 1, tapos phase 2. Yung phase 3, andyan lang po, magkakaroon po tayo ng clubhouse. And then, landscape na entrance. And yung mga commercial lots po, yung mga nakabili before is depende po. If gusto nilang gawing cafe or business, depende po. So dito guys, andyan yung mga available natin sa may phase 3, mga 300 square meter po na residential farm lots. May corner lot, no? May inner lots. Ayan. So limited lots available lamang po. Ang maganda dito is that malamig po yung weather and very accessible from Calax if you are from Manila, no? Dahil ito pong ating east-west road is kino-connect niya yung Silang, Amadeo, Mendez, Indang, Magallanes going to Nasugbu, Batangas. So this one will be one of the most busiest highway dito po sa Cavite. So ito po guys, undergoing construction po yung ating project. And dyan po yung phase 3. Ano yung mga available po natin na 300 square meter ng mga inner lot and corner lots, no? Ng mga residential farm lot. So ayan po, as you can see guys, malaki po yung ating project. And along highway lamang siya. So sa dulo ng video, papakita ko naman kung ano yung sample. Ito po, yung mga finish natin na projects, which is ganyan din po yung magiging itsura ng mga concrete roads natin. So mga 8 meters and 10 meters po yung wide ng ating mga concrete roads. para to accommodate yung mga owners po natin. With drainages po yan, lines for electricity and water. Ganyan na ganyan din po yung magiging itsura ng ating project sa Amadeo. But in this case, ito po ating project na ito is sa Silang Cavite along Aguinaldo Highway, no? So, yan. As you can see, any house design naman po siya. It's up to you if you want to have your own contractor for your own design. So, it depends po sa inyo. So, yan guys. Merong mga basketball court. Ganyan po yung ating amenities para sa mga kids, no? If they are, alam mo yun, away from the city, makapag-exercise din sila when you are away from the city and you are here near Tagaytay at Amadeo, no? And enjoying and relaxing the provincial vibes. So, yun lang guys. If you're interested, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Nandiyan yung Viber WhatsApp ko.